The journey begins in open fields, where watermelons grow at industrial scale under natural light.
Each plant is managed for consistent size, sweetness, and hydration. Maturity is tracked long before a single fruit is picked. Harvesting only begins when internal quality targets are met. Quick field checks confirm ripeness before the fruit moves on.
Only watermelons that meet the standards are selected for processing.
From here, agriculture transfers fruit to industry. Immediately after harvest, the cold chain begins.
Stable temperature helps preserve sweetness and freshness.
Boxes of watermelons are being transported to a high-capacity processing facility built to ensure speed and safety. From this point onward, automation will take control of the process. The washing process removes soil, dirt, and residue from the watermelon rind.
High-pressure water thoroughly cleans without damaging the fruit.
Optical system assesses size, shape, and surface defects in real time. Due to their large size, watermelons require a specialized cutting system. The thick rind is effectively removed to reveal the pure flesh.
Byproducts are immediately sorted for reuse or disposal. What's left is the fresh, delicious watermelon flesh, ready to be cooked.
Before juicing, the watermelon flesh is ground to a suitable size for processing. The mechanical agitator crushes the fruit quickly and evenly.
Next, the separation system begins removing seeds and coarse solids.
Sensors monitor flow, pressure, and consistency in real time.
After blending, the watermelon juice enters the filtration stage.
Filtered juice flows out with a uniform texture. The juice is transferred directly into the sterilization system.
Temperature and holding time are precisely controlled. The heat treatment process is applied while preserving the color of the juice.
After pasteurization, the juice is rapidly cooled.
Samples are collected for compliance verification before packaging.
Packaging begins with empty bottles entering the filling line.
The juice is automatically poured into each bottle.
The sensors confirm that each bottle contains the correct volume. Caps are automatically closed and tightened. The air blower removes moisture from the surface before labeling.
Labels are applied and aligned automatically.
Any bottle that fails the inspection is automatically discarded. The camera system inspects each sealed bottle.
The approved bottles are being packed into cartons.
The cardboard boxes are moving towards the palletizing area.
The robotic arms stack the cardboard boxes onto the pallet. The pallet is wrapped to secure the load. An autonomous vehicle collects the pallet. Products are being loaded onto refrigerated transport vehicles.
The finished watermelon juice leaves the factory.